Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that a man entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "I am starving." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam sent a message to one of his wives. She submitted, "By him who sent you with truth, I have nothing save water." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then sent a message to his other wife, and she said the same. Even all of them submitted, "By him who sent you with truth, I have nothing except water." At last he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Whoever plays host of him tonight, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu will shower his mercy on him." One of the helpers got up and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I will do so." That man took that guest home and asked his wife, "Do you have anything to eat?" The wife said, "Nothing save the children's meal." He said, "Distract the attention of the children with something. When our guest comes, put the lamp out and pretend that we are eating too. When he starts eating, you should make for the lamp and put it out." Then they all sat down and the guest consumed the meal. In the morning, when he came to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Allah Jalla Jalaluhu is extremely pleased with your good behavior with our guest at night." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5327.